Right. We're doing the BUBR ride. Bike Unity bike ride for charity.
Quick. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
As we prepare for the Manchester BUBR ride, let's take a look back at the London event, which had over 300 riders. Right now we're running from Stratford to the water park, and we've picked up loads of riders on the way. 3 riders have joined us. One joined us on the train station, on the train, and another 2 at the station itself. Asked if they can join us. So yeah, we're picking up more riders. So a short ride from Stratford station. We're finally at the registration point, which is Leighton Sports Ground, East London. It's also going to be the starting point, so we are going to ride from here all the way to Dulwich Park on a scenic route. It's going to be 17 miles, roughly 3 hours ride, with 2 pit stops just to get yourself checked out, water, and that kind of stuff. Now there's loads of riders I've seen with Lime bikes. I've seen this guy on a Victorian bike. But the nice thing is that they also offer you something hot to drink, something to eat. There's water. There's loads of freebies, and on top of that, you also get your bike check for free. Yeah. So before the ride, they're actually going to make sure that you have the opportunity to get your bike checked by a professional bike technician. Where's the pedal power? Where's the pedal power? Oh, there's one. Oh gosh, I think they're way behind. And here comes Robbie. And here comes Robbie. Robbie, we're picking up the rear. There we go. Another member.
Surrender.
And there's the rest of them. There's another man gone there. Rasta man there, pedal power there. Love Ari. Love and peace morning. There we go. Here's the last of us. gosh, it's a hill climb. We're doing a hill climb. Oh my gosh. So all the way from Leighton Park, East London, we passed through, I can't remember the places, Camberwell, Dulwich, and now we're somewhere through,
Still alive.
oh gosh, I don't know, where are we? Back up Peckham somewhere. We passed Peckham. I don't know where we are now. Paul, I want a pair of eyes. I want a pair of eyes. And some chicken wings. Some hot wings. And a Malta. A super malt. And TFL. TFL! Yeah, you gotta keep us funding. Keep the funding coming. We need it. I'm signing off. If you don't see me tomorrow, come and find me at the side of the street. I've done it. I've reached. Yeah, where's this finish line? Finish line is somewhere. Oh, there's finish line. Finish line is right. Right where? Yeah, finish line. Right, finish line is there. I've done it. I'm hungry. There's a festival going on. Lots of food. And I'm gonna get a massage. I'm gonna get a massage. I'm gonna get a massage. Look, I got massage therapist. I'm gonna get a massage.
No. I'm going home. Yeah? Take care, darling. Bye. Take care.
The BUBR ride is done. I can't feast anymore. Festival, whatever it is. I'm done. I'm going home. Let's see though. My bike, my chain link actually was coming apart. And these guys here, Exo Bikes, the mechanics, they fixed my bike for free. They actually put a new link into my bike chain to make sure I can continue the ride. Free, you know, and they give me some good advice as well on to upgrade my bike. I can't complain, can I? But yeah, I mean, you know, they also check my bike before the ride, and they check it during the ride as well. At the pit stops, they actually check my bike to make sure that it was running well. So yeah, I can't complain. So again, TFL, Grung Works, Carers, Peace Abdominal, Let's Walk and Talk.
I also need to pump up my tires.
Nope, I didn't. And thank you, BUBR, for you know, facilitating this.
I'll go pick up my tires.
So I'm going home and sleep.